Hi, Sylvia Gorenszach here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Simply Sassy Nails. I am going to be covering one of the easiest nail art designs that you could possibly do, and using these pearlescent polishes that we have here, Boredom Blue, Apricot Freeze, C'est La Vie, Luna, we're going to achieve this look right here, which is basically like, it's not even an ombre. I don't even know what to call this, but it's just like a mishmash of colors. And because of the pearlescent, it gives that iridescent look to it. It's really cool. So how about we get right to it? So the first thing we are going to do is put 2 coats of Lovey Dovey as a base. Now for the fun part, we're going to take these polishes and just put random dots on our nails. There's no rhyme or reason to it. You just basically give a little bit of space in between each dot. I'm just using the polish brush that comes right from the bottle here, and I'm putting random dots here and there on the nail. And we're going to do this with the other colors as well. You want to make sure that the dots are not that big because or else the polish will be too thick. So you just want to have a thin coat or a small little dot of polish. Now I'm using Luna, which is a white pearl polish that we have, and just basically to bridge it so that the pearl will just kind of mix all together and all have that pearlescent look to it. Now I have white as a base just to kind of make the polish, the colors pop a little bit, but the Luna basically bridges it all together with the pearl. Now we're going to take an ombre brush, or you can take the fan brush from the creativity set, and you're basically going to do a sweep of the polish. When you do a sweep, you basically only have one shot at this. And the reason why I say that is because if you do 2 or 3 swipes at the same spot, then you're going to melt all the colors all together. And we kind of want to have a little bit of segregation with the colors. We do want them to blend nicely, but we don't want them to blend too much. So I'm basically just taking one sweep and going down and doing the same thing across the nail. That's it. That's the look. So I'm going to give this a cure. And so this is cured. I'm going to carry on to the other fingers here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be in the know of when my next video comes out. Thanks so much and have a great day. Ciao, ciao for now.